Hello, today we will study the electric current. So you see these two figures, figure A and figure B. The figure A is basically, it is a wire which is made of a copper, for example. So you know that copper is a conductor, and conductor means there are free electrons in it. So so they are moving. The electrons are moving in random directions. So for example, some of the electrons are moving in the right directions and other electrons are moving in the left directions. So there is of course motion of electrons, but the motion is random. It means all electrons are not moving in one direction. So if they are not moving in one direction, we can't say that there is a flow of charges in one direction. So if there is no flow of charge in one direction, this implies that there is no current. For current, it is necessary that the electrons or the charges, there can be electrons, that can be positive charges, they should move in a particular directions. So of course there are a lot of electrons, there are sea of electrons in the copper wires. For example, there are 10 raised to the power 6 meter, they are moving with the speed of 10 raised to the power 6 meter per seconds. So but there is no flow of current, and the reason for that is that there is no a driving force of electrons. There is no a driving force for electrons so that they can move in a particular directions. In other words, there is no electric field inside this conductor, this copper wire. But if you come to the figure B, here you see there is a battery connected into this loop of wire which is made of copper, for example. So what does the battery do? It establishes an electric field inside this copper wire. So you see here is a positive terminal of the battery and here is a negative terminal of the battery. So the direction of electric field which is established inside this conductor copper wire, this is shown. It goes from positive towards negative because we already know that electric field is outward for the positive charges and inward for the negative charges. So the direction of electric field is in this way. So from the equation, you know F is equal to QE when uh, the electric field exerts a force on the charges, on the positive charge. uh, the force has the same direction which which is the direction of electric fields, you see. But if the charge is negative, the second equation here you see, then in that case the direction of force and electric field will be opposite. So the negative charges which will be moving basically in this way, opposite to the direction of positive charges, the motion of these charges which we call electrons, that will be opposite to the direction of electric field. So electrons are moving from right to left and positive charges are moving from left to right in the direction of electric fields. So the net current is in the direction of the electric field because conventionally we say that the current is due to the positive charges for historical reasons. But in actuality, the current is due to the electron, which should be in this way. So the current produced in this conductor is due to the battery. And what does the battery do? The battery basically establishes electric field, and that electric field produces the current. Hope it is clear. Thank you.